Whoa. I made it to day 12. I may do a couple more of these under the same playlist. But yeah, we finally made it to day 12. 12 days of FNAFMAS. And it is an unboxing. But I kind of wanted to start it off in the dark. Because, you know, Mike, you'll see in a second. Because he has like a black and gray. I just want to set the vibe. It is 1 a.m. I gotta start my shift and turn everything on. Whoa. Okay, let's not use that light. Should we do cozy? No. I think this is good. Yeah. This is one of the sweaters I got on Black Friday. This is like gray and it's black. It reminded me of Mike Schmidt from Five Nights at Freddy's. And this is an opening, but it is 12 days of FNAFMAS, and you know, I gotta open up the advent calendar. See if I can find number 12. There it is, right there. I can never open these stupid things. Oh, I've been getting those little balls and this little... I didn't know these two were included. I've been getting these. It's so cute. We match. Saving that. Oh. Okay, but before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos.
Let's get to it then.
Well, you know. Yes, I got it. I got the DVD. I got the DVD. We got Cupcake and Chica, then Foxy in the back, Bonnie, and then Freddy, and then all the cool little scenes in here. Celebrate. Oh, I'm gonna celebrate. I got a Santa teddy bear. We got Freddy there, Chica, dollar bill, like when you first open a restaurant and framed up first dollar that you get, and then Chica, Freddy, and then Bonnie. We got Mike here, and then we got, I believe that's Golden Freddy and Abby. Foxy, the striped cup and stuff. Vanessa, no more Abby. Okay. Yeah, this is the night shift edition. Yeah, and it includes the Five Nights at Freddy's from game to the big screen, killer animatronics, and Five Nights in 3 dimensions. Ready? The Blu-ray. Everyone likes a good slow burn. And here is it properly with other photos and stuff. Okay. I normally have keys here. Just kidding. Oh, perfect. I got safety scissors. Everyone loves the unwrapping for that. Here. So, there we go. Oh, it's glowy. Get off of there. Okay, ready? Ready? Oh, so pretty. I love purple. Oh, so pretty. And then, oh, this is to stream or download it anywhere. So, yeah. Put that on the floor. I wasn't expecting 2 CDs. Or DVDs. As we continue to survive Friday nights at Freddy's. So there's 2 CDs in here? Okay. Yeah, bonus features DVD. Hey! Okay.
Let's get to it then.
I gotta read the back. The producer of M3 and the Black Phone bring the terrifying horror game phenomenon to life as a blood-chilling film. Recently fired and desperate for work so that he can keep custody of his little sister, Mike agrees to take a position as a night security guard at an abandoned themed restaurant, Freddy Fazbear Pizzeria. But Mike soon discovers that nothing at Freddy is what it seems. Mike's nights at Freddy's will lead him into unexplainable encounters with the supernatural and drag him into the black heart of an unspeakable nightmare. I wasn't expecting 2. Okay, I don't think I'm in the top 12 Day of FNAFMAS. This is like the best way to end this. I love that it's purple. I'm a weirdo.
Oh, you beautiful little weirdo.
Okay, that is it. That was this video. And to celebrate, I'm gonna eat this. Okay, but before I eat this, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and enjoyed my reaction. I was not expecting my own reaction, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it to get a laugh out of it. But yeah. Subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell to know if I post more videos, leave your thoughts and theories and other content that you would like to see in the comments below. So yeah, that is it for today's video, and I'm gonna enjoy this bad boy. You just spilled chocolate. Let's go. Cream filled. Just say what it was. Oh well. Let's see. Teddy Friends double milk chocolate. Delicious. You know how they cream filled. See you in the next video.